Hello guys, it's Mark here and today I have the Realme 6. This is unboxing video, so let's get it started. So this Realme 6 I got here, I got the lowest configuration ever. So it's in the 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. And as you can see here, is in display, selfie 90%, smooth display, 30 watts flash charging, 64 megapixel and ultra wide lens, and with the processor with Helio G90T processor. I mean, it's pretty decent for a phone like this. So let's check it out. I got my trusty knife here. So let's see it inside. I really like the box, it's really clean design. SIM ejector tool. Oh, a nice silicone case. It's not, I mean, it's quite decent. I like the color that's gray, that it's not in, well, white, or else it'll turn yellow. Let's put this aside. And we got the device itself. Wow. This look really good. I don't regret getting this color. This is amazing. Man. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's a dedicated screen protector. You can see. Definitely suggest to get like an actual tempered glass. That would actually really helps. Charging brick. And USB Type-C. I like the yellow accent here, so which is really great. So let's get this device power up. And right now I'm gonna get a closer shot on this phone. So yeah,